Break ID number 4140. 2018 Origins Football 1-box break. This one has one filler for 10 spots. Go. Ten spots, almost a third of the teams to Jody, K.A. Go. VYE is new to us also. Welcome. Fernando VI, welcome back. Anybody have the Patriots up there for 150 bucks as their PC? Ooh. Jody KA and Ken SY with free spots. Travis, you're from Maine. You don't have the Patriots as your PC team? That'd have been 150 bucks. One quick pack. Melvin Gordon. AJ Green. It's not too bad. Andrew Luck, blue parallel to 25. Landon Collins. And Hayden Hurst on card to Baltimore. Ricky GR, who's also fairly new. Next one, 3-color jumbo RPA to 99, Traquan Smith. Saints, Jason DU. And last card, jumbo jersey, rookie to 49, Josh Rosen. Cardinals. VYE. First hit. All right. There's another one of those.